Go.
Hi, Mike. Hey, so Michael, it's nearly 2 years since you set up your truck.
Yeah, Dave, yeah.
How you going?
Yeah, great.
And where you been?
Well, we do mainly country Victoria, country New South Wales, and we head north for the winter into Queensland.
Okay, and you are you finding that all your equipment under the duress of moving around all the time and standing up to the wear and tear?
Yeah, look, your suggestions on what we should use is certainly been beneficial. Dave helped us set everything up. The fridges and freezers that we use are just spectacular. The coffee machine is our big hit.
Excellent. And are you finding that your semi-retirement plan's what you wanted it to be?
Yeah, hard work every day.
Well, join the club.
Yeah, right here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Dave.
Thank you. Shake his hand. Thanks, Michael. There you go. You know, so go down there. We're going to put it on the Facebook. Is that okay?
Yeah, thank you. A lot of us ready to see this good.